In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign members to tasks in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool that helps teams track and manage their work efficiently. Whether you're working on a small project with a few colleagues or managing a complex initiative with many contributors, assigning tasks is crucial to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Let's dive in and see how you can easily assign team members to tasks in Asana. First, you'll want to open your Asana project. Once you're in, take a look at the list view of your project. Here, you'll find various columns that help organize the details of each task. One of these columns is labeled Assignee. This is where you will be designating tasks to specific team members. To get started, look for an empty cell in the Assignee column corresponding to the row of the task you want to assign. Clicking on this empty cell is your first step to assigning the task to one of your team members. Once you've clicked on the cell, you'll notice a drop-down menu pop up. This is where things get interactive. You might already have some ideas on who should handle the task. Simply start typing the name or email of the person you want to assign the task to. Asana has a nifty feature here. It will auto-complete names based on your input. This makes finding and assigning team members quick and straightforward. When you start typing, a list of matching team members will appear, making it easy to locate the person you're looking for, even if you only remember part of their name or email address. After you've begun typing, wait for Asana to present the list of possible matches. Once you see the correct person you have in mind, simply select their name. This action will assign the task to them, and you'll see their name populated in the Assignee column. This straightforward process not only designates responsibility, but also sends a notification to the assignee, ensuring they're aware of the new task that awaits them. And that's all it takes. Assigning tasks to team members in Asana is both quick and efficient. This feature enables each team member to have a clear view of their tasks and responsibilities, thereby improving communication and collaboration within your team. Remember, assigning tasks is an ongoing process as projects evolve. Regularly updating task assignments helps keep everyone in sync and the project on track. Thank you for joining me in learning how to assign tasks in Asana. Now you can confidently manage your project assignments and keep your team organized and productive. Feel free to dive into your projects and start assigning tasks right away.